It's funny how something so simple can brighten your day.
So you had one of those days.
Thank you for stopping by. I am so glad you're here. Heck, I am so glad I'm here because the week that I've had has been a lot. It's been a lot. I haven't really told you guys what's going on with me. Thank God this just came in the mail today and I am so excited. You guys, this is an actual succulent subscription box. They're called Succulents Box. I did not know this was a thing, but it's a thing and I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box below. I had to, of course, open this with you guys. So let's get into this box. I'm pumped. I'm so pumped because on their website, the succulents that they carry are absolutely gorgeous. This is good quality California grown succulents. They've been in business since 2015. I can't believe I'm still rambling because I just want to see what's inside. Here is our first succulent. I started cutting it open. Oh my goodness. Like, these are no Home Depot succulents, honey. These are the real deal. The subscription boxes range from $4 to $16, I believe. OMG. How pretty is this? Look at the roots on this baby.
So you had one of those days when the world don't give you no grace. You'd rather fly away and keep on going.
I call this a variegated jade, but that's not what it is. It's not. It's just what I call
If
it.
you wish to spread those
Oh my God,
wings
I am in heaven.
You gotta turn it around. Don't look over your shoulder.
Isn't it pretty bright? Gosh. Okay, these are our first two.
Don't wanna stay in the past. Just keep on going over the top.
Okay, here's our last one. Now I did just see a peek. It's some sort of preview on their website, on their email. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Those kind of look like
Isn't that wild?
yeah.
When you're feeling
Mommy.
down and low.
Oh my God. I've always thought these looked so cool.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I went to my school today and we got to see butterflies and we got to see mushrooms.
Wow, you saw mushrooms?
Yeah, the mushrooms, one of them was super big. It was this big.
Wow. How big?
This big.
Does this remind you of it?
Yeah, it kind of looks like a mushroom.
Okay, you guys, so I did see a preview. This is called a leaf hop or something. I do not know much about them. Really, I don't know. I think the dirt got shaken around a bit. This is so cool. I mean, this is awesome. I can't wait to learn more about this plant.
So you had one of those days.
That
This
looks like
is-
a nut.
The leaf hop,
Oh.
the living stone. This in here.
You'd rather fly away and keep on
Look at the picture.
but they keep dragging you down.
Corpuscaria,
To spread
an
those
ice
wings
plant.
and fly.
We're gonna go with ice
It's
plant.
not right.
You gotta
And
turn
this
it
sucker
around.
has some amazing
Don't look over
roots
your
on it.
shoulder.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, really good. Yeah.
Second opinions. Don't wanna stay in the past.
So nice. I'm going to continue with a subscription box. I'm at least going to do 2 succulents a month. I will keep you guys updated. Check the links below. Check out their website. Follow them on Instagram. If you order from them, let me know. They have string of pearls, string of hearts. They have so many amazing succulents, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a succulent lover like I am, make sure to subscribe. If you're a DIYer like I am, then also make sure to subscribe. Or if you're just a single mom with a little 6-year-old knucklehead like I am,
I'm not a knucklehead.
make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, I'm not a knucklehead.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Right, Bray?
Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe.
You heard it here. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Just keep on going, 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 going.